Hello, everybody. David Zarzana here. Just taking a moment to share with my good friends and family what's been going on with me for the past few weeks. Back in June, I underwent open heart surgery. Turns out I had a bad valve in my upper ventricle, and also my aorta was damaged as a result, and so they had to fix all of that, and then they ended up having to put a pacemaker in me. So it was quite the ordeal, and I've been home now for almost 5 weeks. The surgery was 6 weeks ago, and I was in the hospital for about a week, and anyway, yeah, it was quite the ordeal, and but I'm really glad to be on the mend now. I went in there without insurance, and so of course the costs are pretty significant. And of course I've been out of work, and I continue to be out of work probably for another week, maybe two, and so that's had an impact also. But I'm doing really, really well, and so I'm feeling a whole lot better. My energy level's coming back. Can't wait to get back to work and be with my friends and family there. Can't wait to get back to my ministry and be with my friends and family there also. So anyway, if you have any questions that you would like to ask me, please feel free to call me at 360-903-9956. And I'd be happy to share with you any other details that you might be interested in. But in the meantime, like I said, just know that I'm doing well, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody again. I can't wait to be back with my family at Music World and my brothers at the Intercept Ministry that I'm involved with. So take care of yourselves, and again, looking forward to seeing everybody. Bless you all.